Welcome. In front of me is an AMAZFIT Bip 6, and today I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself. So let's just pop it open. We have a pull tab right here. Thank you for that. Then rip halfway through. Samsung should learn something from that. So, come on. Okay, it's not the best design, but whatever. Okay. Now, getting in here. Come on. Okay. We get the... Okay, we get the watch. There it is with this not very good design kind of loop. Personally, I would be very sketched out that this would break eventually, just because, you know, your watch slides to your wrist, you bend it, and it just kind of goes whoop, and, you know, pops off. So that's just kind of what I would be afraid of typically. But anyway, and here we have a Type-C puck for charging. Magnetically attaches like so. And we don't get the cable, unfortunately. Wow. Okay. And there was just paperwork. Now let's put it up and play the guessing game. Which button turns it on? This one? Probably not. Okay, let's try the bottom one then. Come on, oh, there we go. This one is turning it on. Cool. So in terms of build quality, it's made out of plastic for the most part, apart from obviously the display. Well, that actually turned out really quickly. So they have a pretty snappy UI, though it is going to be running their own kind of ZEEP OS on here, so, you know, that will come with its own kind of drawbacks, like not having access to applications, like for instance something like this one would, which is the Galaxy Watch. So it's going to be pretty limited. What AMAZFIT is providing you with, that's what you get, and nothing outside of that. Other than that, we have a pretty nice feeling strap. So it's silicone. It's a bit stretchy, more stretchy than I would honestly feel comfortable with. But it does feel nice to touch. It's a soft one, so it shouldn't be digging painfully into your arms. And yeah, it seems like an okay device. Now when it comes down to tracking, I'm not going to be going through any kind of tests or anything like that, talk about it really. But for the most part, from what I've seen from other people that do extensive testing, when it comes down to smartwatches, it looks like Huawei and right after that, Apple Watch are literally the kings when it comes down to accurate data for any kind of tracking, like heart rates, running, and so on. So with that said, if you're looking for something that is very reliable, you probably might want to look somewhere else. Most of the options that claim to do this are usually just kind of claiming this and failing behind the two reigning kings. So like I said, if you're looking for reliability or accuracy more like, probably look somewhere else. I haven't checked this out, but statistically speaking, there is a high chance that this won't be the best, if that's what you're looking for. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.